Look at what?
It looks like a bottle.
Yes!
What's it say? What's it say?
Whoa, it's a treasure map.
I wonder where it leads.
Let's go find out.
Look!
Oh my goodness, look at all these books.
This one's my favorite.
No one escaped Captain Bones. Find out what's in their house, you dogs, Captain Bones said. Just books, Captain, shouted Stinky. Ah, books, said Captain Bones. He spit it on Dan again. I hate books. Oh my goodness, you're...
Arr, I be Captain Jones, Captain Bones' brother. Captain Bones be me evil twin. Arr, I see you found me treasure.
We're sorry.
We'll put it back.
Not to worry. Any shipmates who have their library cards on them are worthy of finding me treasure. Wait, you have your library cards, right?
Well, not exactly.
Oh, well that's no problem. You can get a library card from any one of your local libraries.
Wow, it's that easy?
Arr, and it gets even better. If you head on over to www.opl.on.ca, you can sign up for the summer reading program. And once you sign up, there's even more treasure to be found. Right, Polly?
Don't forget to sign up.
The summer reading program begins on Wednesday, June 29th, 2011.
Come on, kids, time to leave.
Thanks for everything.
Where'd he go to?
Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, but we want to go to the library.
What's at the library?
The summer reading program!
The school with the highest percentage of participation in the summer reading program will win a trophy. Get reading. The summer reading program is brought to you by McDonald's Restaurants of Oakville, Conservation Halton, African Lion Safari, YMCA of Oakville, and Friends of the Oakville Public Library.